watching, I be on my. When you're watching, I be on my.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning back into the channel. If this isn't your first time, and I'm back with another haul. It seems like all I've been uploading lately are hauls, but you know, this is a haul of stuff that was gifted to me. This is my what I got for Christmas haul for 2023. I was looking back on footage and apparently I didn't upload what I got for Christmas last year, so I may or may not upload that as like a bonus video. We'll see. You know, I'm kind of feeling myself a little bit. This video about all of this next week. I got y'all. So, you know, subscribe so you don't miss out. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got for Christmas this year. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this, and let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I'm already wearing it. I'm wearing the top at least. I got this two-piece set. It says my camera is inverted, so it's messing me up. It says baby girl, and then I got the pants that also say baby girl, because you know my dad, his nickname for me is baby girl. So yeah, this is a gift from my parents, by the way. Don't know if I said that, but yeah, so cute, so comfortable. Only thing is it's a little big because I have been slimming down a little bit. I don't know about losing weight, but I've been slimming down in inches, especially like around my waist. Yeah, but it's very cute, very comfortable. It's fitting the aesthetic right now and giving what needs to be gave. Oh, before I forget, y'all, they also got me a thing for my keychain, because my keys were ridiculous. I had like a bunch of keys on here and stuff. You know how it is when you first like start driving, you get your first set of keys. So I just had a bunch of stuff on here, keys that didn't even go to anything, just so I could look important. But I have all my necessities on here now. But they got me this keychain that has a J on it. J for Jasmine, and it's this cute little leopard print. Next, they got me this, I think my mom got me this makeup brush set. So I did use one of the makeup brushes today, and it also came with a, I need to make sure I find that and put that in my wallet. It also came with a Sephora gift card, $25 gift card. So I need to find that and put that in my wallet. I was trying to tell my mama that, you know, because coincidentally enough, I got her a Sephora gift card. Shopping at Sephora, $25 gift card is going to take something off. You're not going to be able to just buy something, because Sephora is not Ulta. The prices are very different. She gonna see when she goes. She gonna see what I mean. Next, I got this cute hat. I've been rocking this because it's been cold out here in Texas. Like the last couple weeks, it's been cold. So, my granny, shout out to my granny, thank you. She got me this cute hat with this soft little fuzz ball at the top. It's black, so it matches and goes with everything. You feel me? Then I'm gonna count this as a Christmas gift. My mom was trying to find something to wear to go over my granny's house, and she found this, and she's never worn it. She says she's never worn it because it's missing, like, or it doesn't have like buttons on here. Anything to know about me, I took a what was it called, a home design class in high school. It taught you how to sew and all that. Baby, I can sew me a few buttons on here, okay? Don't get it twisted. So she let me have this. What size is this? It's a small, but it's a cute little jacket. You feel me? We're heading right into the winter season, so this is perfect. So she let me have this. I tell you, I'm gonna go to Walmart. Get me a few buttons that match the shade range of that jacket, and get you, what is it, like some tan thread, a needle. You gotta make it work. You feel me? We in a recession. I also wore this on Christmas. This is really cute. I love this. My parents also got me this cute purse. I don't like huge purses. Especially I'm out and about a lot by myself, and so I don't want a huge bag. Not in that sense. You can push that up, open it like that. So it's pretty big. You feel me? You got a flap right here, flap right here. You can put your coins in this little middle part, and then like the wallet part where you can put like your cards and stuff go like right here. And it fits my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so the big version of the phone. So my phone can fit comfortably in here and still close up. You feel me? So I love that. Next, my mother, I was gonna buy me a flat iron, but you know, she beat me to it. I'm glad I didn't have to waste my coin. but she got me this. It's got two different flat irons in here, so it's got the 1/2 inch and the inch, and then it comes with a heat protector as well, so I love this. Next, this is a gift from my little brother. I got a bunch of art supplies. Very excited about this. And King Art brand is pretty good, at least from what I've used. So I got these watercolor markers. These are also watercolor markers. And then he got me some watercolor paints. And then this watercolor, this is a paint pad, but I don't know, I might use it for something else. I don't really paint that much, but nonetheless, it will get used. Next, this is also another gift from my granny. She got me this 8-piece bath set. I could have used this last night because I came home from work and took a bath. I'll probably use it this weekend or something. I could use it today if I want to be frank. Romantic florals. So it's an 8-piece bath set. Say that 5 times fast. It's got 1 bubble bath, 1 body lotion, 2 bath fizzers, so like bath bombs, 1 shower gel, 1 body spray, and 1 bath puff, so like one of those loofah things. So yeah, and the thing is, the box, y'all hear that? It's like a tin box, so I can use this to store something in there. I was like, I'm probably gonna use it to store some art supplies or something in there. It's reusable. Thank you, granny. So then I got this bag, this Betty Boop bag. Anything to know about me, I love me some Betty Boop, okay? I still got the Betty Boop bag. You probably can't see it, it's down here. But I still got the Betty Boop bag that my Meemaw got me all these years ago. I got another Betty Boop bag from my auntie. Betty Boop bag. It's a perfect like travel carry-on. I gotta go somewhere 2024. I gotta travel. I just have to. Then I got this, my parents got me this bed set. So it's got like snowflakes and stuff on it, so I can probably wash this and add this into the rotation of like, because I only have like 2 sets of bed sheets. I almost cussed. I only have 2 sets of bed sheets, so I'll wash this before I use it, of course, and then add this into the rotation. So very much needed. I forgot I got this. Okay, my mom got me these leggings. Hopefully they fit, you know. I haven't tried them on yet because I've a little junk in the trunk. It's slimmed down a little bit. She got me this cute Powerpuff curl. It's like a little jersey. Blossom Bubbles Buttercup. And then on the back, very cute, very cute. You know, you gotta be careful when you buy stuff with characters on it because sometimes the characters be looking a little cross-eyed, and you know, I might wear this today because I'm going to be recording a lot of content today for this channel and my gaming channels, and you know, which subscribe to those. My parents got me, or my dad got me, like a smartwatch, not an Apple Watch, but like a smartwatch. Was it last year? I think it was last year for Christmas. And I've been having issues with it recently to where I've just stopped wearing it. So they got me this. I'm not necessarily a fan of like the Kardashians or the Jenners, so you know, that aside, don't care about that. It's a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones and the watch. Nonetheless, it's cute. It's black, so it matched with everything, so I'll get use out of the watch, I'll get use out of these headphones, and the headphones are bedazzled too. Y'all see that? I love that. Okay, that's it for my Christmas haul this year. Thank you to everybody who got me something, because you didn't have to do that, because I know that times are hard right now and prices are absolutely ridiculous. You feel me? Thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Like I said, everything including this look, makeup, and hair, next week's video. I got y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all don't miss that, and I will see y'all in the next video.